Placing images. If you need to insert an image into your document, you should use the place function. To place an image into your document, do the following. 1. Make sure the layer you wish to place your image in is selected. Note: please, images are added to the selected layer. If you want it to be on its own layer, create a new layer by clicking the New Layer button near the bottom of the layer palette and select it, then place your image. 2. Click File and Place. 3. Navigate through the pull-down menus to find the file that you want to insert. Select the file and click OK. Once you have placed the object, switch to the Selection tool to move the object to the precise location you want. If you single-click on your image, you can resize with the gripper's little black square around the image. Click and drag a gripper inward or outward to expand and shrink your image as desired.